Okay, I got this idea. I'm pretty sure it was from Michigan Snow Pony, from Renee's YouTube channel, Michigan Snow Pony. I'll put a link in the descriptions. And she had, I didn't want one of these in every bed. I don't like it. I think they get in the way. And I've been told it's not really square foot gardening unless you had your beds marked off by the square foot. Oh well, I guess I'm a rebel that way. But she had one. See, isn't that neat? I've just put it away, and it takes up no space at all. And when I need it, I open it back up. Oh, it's a little harder to do it one-handed. But this is going to be my strawberry bed. It's very well composted horse manure underneath here. I didn't clean the weeds. This is one of the beds that I had my son cover with the manure. And this one had the really, one of the last ones he did, and he got down beneath the fresh manure, and this is the composted manure. And it's already growing mushrooms, because it is mushroom compost under there, but horse manure seems to produce mushrooms. So anyway, I'm going to now cut holes and secure the weed block down and plant the strawberries, and hopefully in the next day or so get some actual straw or something to kind of put in between and cover up the black, but I don't think that's really necessary, but I want to do it.